CoComelon!
Twas Christmas Eve, and all through the house no creature stirred, not even a mouse. Stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that Santa would soon be there. Ho, 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 'twas Christmas Eve. Ho, 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 'twas Christmas Eve. 'Twas Christmas Eve, and all through the house no creature stirred, not even a mouse. Little friend, play with me.